The most exciting thing to happen to TV since color. TCI Digital Cable. Right through the cable you already have. All the channels you get now, plus lots more. More movie channels, more new programming, more of the TV you want. The future is here, and it's full of options. More choices than you've ever had before. So how do viewers manage all this information without being overwhelmed and confused? It seems like a big question, but the answer is simple. Prevue Interactive, your on-screen guide to digital programming. It makes sure you get the most out of your new digital cable service. Let's explore the exciting features of the Prevue Interactive on-screen guide. The first thing you'll see when you turn on your set-top box is TV. There are no complicated menus, just the great TV that you expect to see. By pressing the Channel Up button, the flip bar appears. This little bar at the bottom of the screen tells you what channel you're watching, the name of the program, when it started, and when it's over. It disappears after 5 seconds. The flip bar appears every time you change the channel. Even if a commercial is on, the flip bar allows you to see what's on that channel. You can make the flip bar appear or disappear anytime you're watching TV by pressing the OK button. That's flip. Now, if you press the arrow keys rather than the channel up and down keys, the Browse bar will appear. Browse allows you to see what's on the other channels now and later, without leaving the program you're currently watching. You can continue to watch Erie, Indiana here, but if you press the up arrow key, you can see what's showing on the other channels. If you see something you like better, press the OK button and the TV automatically tunes to it. Browse also allows you to go ahead in time and see what's on later in the day, again without leaving the program you're currently watching. Simply press the right arrow key and you'll go ahead a half hour at a time. If you see something that you like, say Twilight Zone, press the OK button. This time you can't tune right in because the show doesn't start until later in the afternoon. But you can set a reminder so you're sure not to miss it. Just press the left and right arrow keys until Yes is highlighted, then press OK. This check mark indicates that a reminder has been set and will appear a few minutes before the show starts. No matter what you're watching, a reminder will come up on screen. To get out of Browse or any of the menus, simply press the Exit button, and you're back to watching TV. To enter the main menu screen, press the Menu button on your remote control. The main menu is divided into 3 sections. Let's start with the listing menus located in the left-hand column of the screen. The listings menus offer 6 different ways to find out what's on TV, starting with By Time. Highlight By Time and press the OK button. Now you'll see a menu listing all the programs for the current half-hour time slot. If you see something you want to watch, like Harriet the Spy, just highlight it, press OK, and you'll tune right in. To get back to the By Time listings menu, simply press the Guide button. The By Time function also allows you to go ahead in time and see what's on all the channels later in the day by pressing the right arrow button. Let's highlight a program, say Joy of Painting, that starts at 2 o'clock. If you don't want to miss that, press OK and you'll be invited to set a reminder. All of the on-screen guide listing screens work the same way. You just highlight a program and press OK. One of 3 things will happen. You'll tune to the program if it's currently on. You'll be asked to set a reminder if it's on later in the day, or you'll be invited to purchase it if it's a purchasable program. Now let's look at the By Channel menu, where you can see what's playing on various channels throughout the day. Here the channel number is listed at the top, and start times are listed down the left-hand column. All of the programs listed on the on-screen guide are color-coded. Red for movies, green for sports, and blue for all other programs. This makes it easy and convenient to find the type of programming you're looking for. If you highlight a program, you again have 3 options: to tune in, set a reminder, or purchase the program. Next, let's look at the 3 most popular genre categories of movies, sports, and children. Notice the eye icon on the right-hand side. This tells you there is additional information about the program. Just highlight something to talk about and press the Info button, and you'll get a quick description of the movie's stars, plot, and current rating. Press the Info button again to return to the movie menu. The Sports menu makes it easy to see when and where to catch the games you want to see. And when the kids get home from school, they can use the Children's menu to see what's on TV for them. The final menu in this column is the Program Search feature. Let's say you want to watch the Flintstones, but you have no idea what time or channel they're on. Just press the down arrow to adjust to the letter F. Then press the right arrow and the database is quickly updated to the Fs. Since the Flintstones aren't listed yet, enter the next letter in the title. Then the I. Now that the show is listed, press OK. Now you have the same 3 choices you have in any of the other menus. Coming over to the center column, there are 2 different ways to look at pay-per-view programs, by time and by title. Let's look at pay-per-view by title. Let's say you want to watch The Man in the Iron Mask. Just highlight the title and press OK. Now highlight the start time and confirm the information. That's it. You've just purchased a pay-per-view movie without picking up the phone. And the on-screen guide automatically sets reminders for pay-per-view orders. If you didn't watch the program, don't worry. A program missed notice will appear the next time you turn on your TV. It says you are not charged for the program and asks if you would like to reschedule a viewing. Going back to the main menu, Special Events is a handy list of pay-per-view programs like boxing and concerts. Next is Premium. If you subscribe to premium services, you can tune to these services through this menu option. Let's look at the Digital Music menu, which lists all available music formats. To listen to a digital music channel, simply highlight it. Let's choose Blues and press OK. After 5 seconds, the screen goes black to give the illusion that your TV set is off while you listen to the music. Finally, our Adult section. Highlight a title such as Ruthless Affairs and press OK. Ruthless Affairs is a purchasable program, and the purchasing procedure is the same as in the other menus. Let's finish up with Viewer Services. You'll receive important service messages from TCI in the Message Center. To read a message, highlight it and press OK. You then have a choice to keep or delete the message. Now let's highlight the Favorites function and press OK. To set up a list of your favorite channels, highlight the channel and press the Fave button. The channel turns blue, indicating it is one of your favorites. Do this to as many channels as you like. Then, while watching TV, simply press the Fave button repeatedly to cycle through your favorite channels. To cycle through the entire lineup, use the up arrow key. This is parental control. To enter this feature, you must enter a secret 4-digit code number. Parental control helps parents supervise what their family watches when they can't actually be there with them. Here you can lock out an entire channel by highlighting the channel number and pressing OK. A padlock appears, indicating all programming on MTV is locked out. To show you what a locked out channel looks like, let's tune to MTV. A restrictive screen appears. As soon as you re-enter the PIN code, the programming reappears. If you flip to another channel and then back to MTV, the channel still remains locked. You can lock out shows by rating also, and you can get specific and lock out programs by title. In this case, the show Beavis and Butthead has been locked out, so no matter what time or what channel it comes on, it will be locked out. Finally, the on-screen guide has several setup features. The flip and browse bars can be placed at the top or the bottom of the screen. You can turn the flip bar off if you don't want it to appear each time you change the channel. The message envelope can be placed at the top of the screen, or it can be turned off completely. And you can adjust the reminder to appear in 1-minute intervals up to 15 minutes. Parental control lets you set your lockout and purchase codes. The purchase code feature keeps the little one from buying things without talking to you first. You also have a number of setup choices for your set-top box, audio output, and video screen. Now you've seen the main features of the Prevue Interactive On-Screen Guide for TCI Digital Cable. We've made it easier than ever for you to access the valuable programming choices TCI brings you every month. For more detailed information, be sure to refer to the Prevue Interactive Reference Guide in your digital resource kit. And if you can't find the answer, please don't hesitate to call TCI at the number listed on the system information card in your resource kit. The future is here with TCI Digital Cable. We hope you enjoy it.